So how did we rectify the flaw? Watch till the end to see the result. So what we do first is that we use a V-groove blade. We cut along the crack line and then we patch it with a suitable grout. That's the first step. Then what we do is that to prevent the crack from opening up, we use stitching method using reinforcement bar to prevent the cracks from opening up again. Then to remove and resurface the flooring substrate, shot blasting machine from SGi was used because it is the most effective method to prepare the right surface for epoxy coating. Remember, 99% of floor failures is because of improper surface preparation. After finish preparing the surface, we continue by applying epoxy coating. This flooring gives the whole factory a new look and all repaired cracks will all seal up. So, if you have the same problem or looking to upgrade your factory floor, you know who to call.